Turkey's trade deficit with the rest of the world widened in February by $400 million compared with the same month a year ago. China is Turkey's largest trading partner in Asia, with the trade deficit between the two countries rising from $1.24 billion in 2000 to $22 billion in 2015. The country's consul general in Shanghai says its location makes it a good place for Chinese companies to do business.
I think the best incentive of Turkey is the location of Turkey, because investing in Turkey is not just investing in the Turkish markets. Turkish market is a sizable market. We have like 80 million people population, and GDP per capita is over $10,000. But a company investing in Turkey can reach out to Russia, because Russia is our #1 trading partner. That company can also reach out to Middle East and North Africa. And as a matter of fact, many multinational companies use Istanbul as their regional headquarters.
Chinese banks are already building a presence in the country. ICBC bought a Turkish bank in 2015 and now has over 70 branches in Turkey. The Bank of China has been authorized to open a branch in Turkey and plans to set up a branch in Istanbul soon.
We think it's important because when a bank comes, it means that there's a long-term prospect for further development of economic cooperation with that particular country, because banks are not deciding to invest in a country for a short-term purpose. The sustainable financing is a must. So that would positively affect the investment plans of Chinese companies to invest in Turkey. So the Turkish government is also thinks that we should use our own currencies when we are doing trade, commerce, and economic cooperation, which means using RMB and Turkish lira in our bilateral economic cooperation with China.
The Turkish Grantee Bank has also set up a Shanghai office and is now discussing with some Chinese counterparts about a cooperation contract which will benefit investors from both countries in terms of investing environment and risk assessment. The deal will be signed at the Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation in May in Beijing.
We are very close relationship with Chinese financial institutions. I think this is for both sides benefit. And it is one hand, it is helping Turkey economy to get more advanced machinery, equipment, and also financial support. For the China, it is also increase the Chinese export to Turkey and increase the trade volume between the two countries.
The Turkish government is also talking with China about building a railroad in Turkey. In tourism, Chinese real estate giant Wanda Hotels and Resorts signed a partnership agreement with Turkey's Maryapi this February to build a hotel in Istanbul, which will open by the end of 2018. Wanda will become the first Chinese hotel management company to set up one of its luxury hotels overseas. 爱新觉罗贝 ICS for CGTN Shanghai.